Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. First off, I just wanna thank you for you guys who's following this channel. And I also want to take the time to apologize for not having the time to putting out content lately. A couple of days now has gone. And you know, life comes in between and even work. And ironically, I'm just teaching guitar as a part of my work. So that's strange, but sometimes, yeah, we need some time and can't find it. But now I'm back and we have a song here from Olivia Rodrigo called Deja Vu. And she has another popular song called Driver's License. But this one, Deja Vu, is cool. It has a cool vibe. It's a nostalgic kind of sentimental vibe to it. So yeah, let's go into it. It's about 2 chords only, so very easy. The 2 chords are the D, and it's open D string, second on G, third on B, and second on E. So like this. And then we have the A chord, which is open A, second D, second G, second B, and open E. And we have 2 different techniques here in this song. First off, we have this melody going on, or picking pattern. And then we have one strumming pattern, which goes through the whole song, the rest song. But first off, we're gonna learn this picking pattern. And this pattern goes through the intro, the verse, the pre-chorus, and the chorus. So the first verse, the first pre-chorus, and the first chorus. And then the rest of the song goes with this other strumming pattern, which I'm gonna go into later. So, how do we play? Everything is based on these 2 chords, and they alternate during the whole song. D, A, and so on. So, you are holding the chord as it is, the D first off. And I prefer to play 1 bass note in the first of every round. So that means I play the bass note open D here in this case when it's D. And I'm picking that together with this 2nd fret E string, which I'm holding with my middle finger here. So I pick those together and I lift off my middle finger. And I put it back to the 2nd fret and lift off. And that is 1 round. So the bass note with the first, together with the middle finger here. And 2 rounds. So that's how we play when it comes to the D chord. So slowly. And here you can choose to either pick every string down here on the E with your right hand, or you can choose to have this pull-off technique, like you only picking the first when you have the middle finger on here, and you just lift your middle finger off without hitting the string with your right hand. You can choose to do this technique. I prefer to play every single note with my right hand, but it's up to you. So that's for the D chord, and then we switch off to the A chord here. And here you have the same pattern when you pick, but instead of the open D, you play the open A here as a bass note together with the 2nd fret B string here. Yes, 2nd fret B string. So here you're gonna work with your ring finger here. So you lift this off, and the pattern is the same as in the previous chord here. So A and B together, and lift off your ring finger. On, off, and that's 1 round. and you go 2 rounds here as well. So and in this song it's actually played 1 octave up here, so that means that you, instead of playing here, really should put your capo here on the 12th fret and play this exact same chord up here, D and then A here. But as you see, that's not that friendly, so we are choosing this one 1 octave down. And that's how I would play it if I would play this song for other people. So keep it simple and close to the original song, and it works perfectly there. So this is how you play this song for the intro, the first verse, the pre-chorus first there, and the first chorus. And then when you come into the second verse here, you're gonna play and use the strumming pattern. So the chords are the same. They are still D, A, D, A, alternating like this. And you're gonna play 2 rounds of this strumming pattern for each chord. And the pattern looks like this. It's down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, up. And you're gonna play 2 rounds of this, like I told you, for every chord here. So one, 2, 2. Alright guys, that's pretty much it for this song. And yeah, if you like this kind of songs, a little bit mellow, down to earth songs, please comment this below, or yeah, even better, be a subscriber to this channel. It will really help me out to go on with this project. And I will do my best to provide you with new material, and that could be yeah, new songs, but even old goodies. So please comment and say what you want, and I'm gonna bring it to you. And yeah, you know, don't forget to play tuned.